ओके स्टूडेंट, टुडे वी विल गोइंग टू रिवाइज क्वेश्चन आंसर। आज हम क्वेश्चन आंसर रिवाइज करेंगे लेसन थर्ड एंड फोर्थ के। लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो टुडे आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हैव यू heard the word glucose or seen it written anywhere? Where? Answer is yes, I have heard the word glucose and have seen it written on the packets of glucose powder. I have also seen many advertisements of glucose on TV and in newspaper. Next question is, have you ever tasted glucose? How does it taste? Tell your friends. Yes, I have tasted glucose. It tastes sweet. Next, have you or anyone in your family been given a glucose drip? When and why? Tell the class about it. Once my grandmother had to be admitted to hospital. She was sick. She was given the glucose drip in the hospital. Doctor said that it would help her to recover quickly. Next, Neetu teacher used to tell the girl to have glucose while playing hockey. Why do you think she did this? Answer is, lot of sweating happens when you play outdoor game. This results in loss of water, sugar and salt from the body. This can save your energy. Okay. Next, why do you think Rashmi could eat only one roti in the whole day? Answer, Rashmi could not only one roti in a whole day. Since she was from a poor family, she could not afford to buy, so she had only one roti. Next, do you think Kailash would like games and sports? No, Kailash does not like sports and games. He has a fat and flabby body, which shows that he is not interested in physical activities. Okay. Next, what do you understand by proper food? A good diet which includes good amount of nutrition, food, proteins which is needed for the body to function properly. Question 4. What do you think that the food of Rashmi and Kailash was not proper? While Rashmi is not getting Okay student, today we revise question answer of chapter 3rd from tasting to digesting. आज हमने chapter 3rd from tasting to digesting का question answer revise किए. Okay, we also revise it. And one more thing, for example, ये lesson 3rd है different tastes. इस पैराग्राफ को हम यहाँ तक रीड करें तो हम इसी में से आपको क्वेश्चन दे सकते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे लिखा, झुम्पा रन इनटू द किचन एंड कॉट होल्ड ऑफ हर मदर. इसका क्वेश्चन बनेगा, वेयर डिड झुम्पा गो? झुम्पा रन इनटू द किचन एंड कॉट हर ऑफ हर मदर. ओके, झुम्पा कहाँ पर गई थी? भाग के किचन में गई थी. ओके, तो ऐसे ही चैप्टर को बहुत अच्छे से रिवाइज करना है क्योंकि चैप्टर के बीच में से ही क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे इसका हम फिलिंग द ब्लैंक भी बना सकते हैं. झुम्पा रन इनटू द डैश एंड कॉट होल्ड ऑफ हर मदर. ओके, तो क्या आएगा? झुम्पा रन इनटू द किचन Okay student, today we revise question answer. You also revise it. Now time to say bye. Bye bye student. Have a nice day.